Hello guys, welcome to our LMS tutorial series. Today will be our episode 2, creating your LMS account. So episode 2, content breakdown. Number 1, signing up for an account or creating your login portal or admin account. And number 2, updating account settings. If you haven't watched the episode 1, which talks about what is and the importance of LMS, the link will be on the description. Watch it first before continuing on watching this video. We've talked about web-based LMS on the last video, which will be our focus on this video and upcoming videos. And we'll be using Neo LMS, a type of web-based LMS. So why Neo? Marami namang LMS like Schoology, Canvas, Moodle, Brightspace, Google Classroom, etc. Pansin ko nga maraming gumagamit ng Google Classroom, which is okay naman, pero for me limited lang ang features na pwede mong magamit and they don't support automated updates. So need mo pang i-refresh yung web page every time may update si teacher during classes. Also, you will encounter editing problems, especially sa assignments. And there is no automated quizzes and tests. And also limited lang yung software integration options. Though it's really very simple to use, saka effective yung communication and sharing through Google Docs and Google Drive. Pero kung gusto ka ng mas enhanced or upgraded yung LMS mo, flexible for any type of teaching learning style, pwede siyang instructor, blended or self-paced, and more software integration na magagamit mo for your classes, maganda yung user interface, then go for Neo. And they also support Filipino language, which is 2 thumbs up for me. Actually, mayroong Neo Philippines and marami ng schools and universities na gumagamit ng system nila. Like De La Salle, San Beda, St. Jude, STI, etc. So bakit di natin i-apply in our school, right? Okay. So disclaimer. This video tutorial series is not sponsored by Neo or Cypher Learning, the creator of Neo LMS. I just find their system too good for me, which is worth to share. Let's proceed to signing up for an account. I put the link of the sign up page in the description. So i-click mo lang yan para makasabay ka sa paggawa ng account. Okay, so by signing up, we are actually creating the admin account for your school and the login portal for your school. So if your school has a budget for educational technology, go and talk to your school kung kukuha kayo for premium plan, which includes all the features and requires a minimum purchase of 500 accounts. You can get a code by filling out the sales inquiry. May nilagay din ako na link sa description. But for now, we are going to use the free plan for our tutorial, which includes 14-day trial for all the premium features. Trust me, yung features ng free plan nila ay enough na sa iyong pagtuturo. Though it only supports up to 400 students, we will maximize that to your advantage. So before we will start filling out the forms, make sure na meron na kayong working email kasi kailangan yan for your account verification. So yung email pwede siya Gmail, pwede din Yahoo Mail. So depende kung anong email ang meron ka. Okay, so after clicking the link, so i-click na lang natin yung free plan dito sa taas or ito yung button na start your free trial. Just click natin yung drop down arrow tapos select tayo kung anong organization type. So it's either public school or accredited university. Neo LMS supports K-12 curriculum or higher education o yung para sa mga universities. For now, select natin yung public school for children since yung gagawin ko ng account ay magiging LMS ng wife ko. Nagtuturo siya sa public school. After nyan, click yung get our free plan and you will be directed to the sign up page. So Ayan, nakalagay dito, sign up for the free plan which includes a 14-day trial of all enterprise features. So first, i-fill out natin yung organization name. So sa organization name, since 400 students lang yung kaya ng free plan, I do suggest na siguro every teacher sa isang school ay gagawa sila ng different Neo account or different, gamitin mo lang yung last name mo tapos yung school nyo. So organization name, Tambungon Integrated School. Tapos yung anticipated plan, select natin yung free plan. And then for the URL, so ito yung magiging website address ng inyong school portal. Tulad ng facebook.com. Yan, parang ganyan. So, tayo yung gagawa. Pwede ka dito maglagay ng kahit anong URL. Anyway, after natin magawa yung account natin, pwede naman natin siyang i-edit. TIS-compuesto. Tapos, fill out natin yung iba pang forms. Okay, itong user ID, ito yung gagamitin natin para makalagin tayo sa ating portal. Parang ito yung magiging username mo. So I have a video in the description kung paano tama at secure na password para hindi ma-hack yung account mo. Pwede mo din yung tingnan at i-apply mo. How did you find us? Click mo lang yung just select recommendation. Tapos make sure to click I agree to the terms and have read the privacy policy. After nyan, by the way, lahat ng may asterisk sa sign up form natin, ibig sabihin yan ay required yan. Dito nakalagay dito, required field. So meaning hindi mo pwedeng i-leave as blank. Okay, so click sign up. You will be directed to your new site. Congratulations! Nakagawa ka na ng yung sariling LMS account. After natin ma-create yung LMS natin, after 1 to 2 minutes, automatically, ang demo content ay ma-add sa iyong LMS. Ang laman ng demo content ay meron ng mga naka-built-in na mga subjects, classes, students, and teachers. Ito yung parang magiging guide mo kung paano i-gamitin yung LMS. But don't worry, kasi I will walk you through step by step on how to use this LMS. Now, meron na tayong LMS account. Always remember that your account or this account is an admin account. So, only you have the full access of this account. Okay, so now proceed tayo sa second part of our episode 2, which is updating account settings. So, in updating account settings, i-click natin tong update account. So, as you can see, dito sa taas, may nakalagay na teacher administrator. So, meaning, yung account mo is both for admin and as a teacher. Don't get confused regarding sa account na ginawa mo. Okay, so now, we can change our profile picture. So, click lang natin yung gear icon dito sa may upper right side ng iyong profile picture. We can now change your profile picture. You can add a picture by clicking this button, add picture. And then, drop a file here or click to browse. I-click mo lang yan. Then, find pictures that you want to add. Sample lang ito. And then, after ma-upload to 100%, click mo lang yung save. Or you can just simply select any avatar na andito sa baba. After changing your profile picture, click mo tong edit button para mag-edit natin yung description mo. Just simply put grade 8 Sapphire Advisor. Ayan, click save. Then, balik ulit tayo dito sa edit button, tapos click mo yung info. So, pwede mo lagyan yung nickname as Ma'am Gay. Depende kung anong tawag ng estudyante sa'yo sa school mo. So, birth date, ilagay mo din yung birth date dito. Teacher ID or employee ID numbers. Choose male or female. Contact. Email, phone number, you can add contact number here. You can also add your Skype ID. Ang Neo LMS ay may built-in na Skype integration. You can also add your address here, postal code, and after that, click save. Kasi after mo na-edit yung information mo, so makikita mo yan dito sa info tab. Tapos, teaching, these are the subjects na iyong tinuturo. So as for now, makikita mo dito, ito yung mga demo contents. So advanced physics, biology yan. These are the demo contents na automatic siya na-upload ng system. Tapos groups, if you belong to any groups. These are also demo content. Dito naman sa right side, makikita natin dito kung kailan tayo nag-join, activity. So tags, just leave it none. Login credentials, so makikita natin dito yung login credentials mo, user ID and password. So syempre yung password naka-hide, ikaw lang may alam yan. You can just reset your password by clicking this one. Then it will prompt to ask you if you are sure in recreating your password. So for now, we'll just select cancel. So if you forgot your login credentials, you can just select recent login, and it will send the details of your login credentials to your email, yung email na ginamit mo pag-register sa LMS. So now, let's proceed to settings. So sa display, select mo lang yan lahat. Social media, you can add your social media accounts here. So Facebook, so www.fb.com/your username. You can add here LinkedIn, o meron ka Twitter, Instagram, etc. Then click save. Then for the miscellaneous, just leave the default. Or you can enable this logout automatically after the specified minutes. Kung nakalagin kasi yung account, tapos inactive ka for 5 minutes, then automatically mag-log out yung account mo. As for now, just select never. And for the language, so dito, pwede ka makaselect ng Filipino or English. So depende. Just use the language kung saan ka mas comfortable. Okay, then next, we'll go to privacy. These are the features na pwede mong i-enable at i-disable. So allow friendships, see online students, peer to online students, allow chat requests, appears in searches. So just leave it na naka-check yung lahat ng checkbox. And now we are done with our episode 2, creating your LMS account. Congratulations! See you on the next video. We will talk about customizing your LMS portal and navigating the platform. Thank you for watching.